Water pollution. Water is necessary for life. Pure water is a precious resource. Water pollution occurs mostly when people overload the water environment with chemicals and grass clippings harmful to aquatic creatures. It also spells bad news for people because toxic wastes float into the seas and rivers. Chemical substances like soaps and detergents get into water and soil, making it dangerous for us. Nowadays, we can restore our waterways. We mustn't throw any waste down a drain. We must reduce excess water runoff. For example, we can sweep, not hose, the pavements near the house and paths in the garden. We must clean a car with a bucket of water instead of a hosepipe. We must use natural fertilizers like compost in the garden. Eventually, we will be able to stop water pollution.